Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to give you a quick overview on block volume service on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Ready? Before we jump right into the content, I would like to ask you, please go ahead and subscribe yourself on our channel. Hit the subscribe button, and if you use the Instagram, please go ahead and follow us there because we are sharing a lot of cool stuff over there as well. It is thecloudbootcamp.english. It's going to be awesome to have all of you over there as well. All right, when we talk about block volume on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, usually we have three main use cases that we can think of, right? And the first one is the persistent and durable storage. If you think about that, whenever you need to spin up a new compute instance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, let's say you want to create a new Linux VM or new Windows VM, you need to have some sort of durable storage where your operating system files and even application files or data files can be stored, right? So if you think about that, the block volume is a good fit for these types of use cases because you should have some sort of storage, I would say, or some type of virtual storage where you can put your data files or your operating system files, right? And the second use case that usually you can use the block storage on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is when you want to expand your instance capacity, right? And what do I mean by that? Let's say that you already have a compute instance running on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and you want to expand that capacity. Let's say that you have a file system with 50 GB and this file system is running out of space, right? You have almost 90% of utilization and you need to expand the capacity. And in those cases, you can also use the block storage, attach this block storage to the compute instance and expand the file system capacity. And the third use case that usually you can use the block volume on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is whenever you work with instance scaling, right? So let me give you one example. Let's say that you already have one compute instance running and this instance has one small shape and you want to change the shape of this instance. You want to give a bigger shape, like more vCPUs or more memory for that particular VM, and usually what you do is you need to stop the VM or the compute instance which is running. The block storage which is associated to that instance will be persisted. You are not going to remove it, and you're going to use the same block storage or the same block volume that the instance was using before to spin up a new instance using a bigger shape. So that's the third use case that you can have on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure when it comes to block volume, okay?